What's the meaning of chromatography? Chromatography. Chromatography.
Chromatography. Chromatography. Chromatography is a scientific technique used to separate and analyze mixtures of substances. It works by passing a mixture through a stationary phase, such as a column packed with beads, and a mobile phase, like a liquid or gas. The different components of the mixture interact differently with the stationary and mobile phases, resulting in separation and the creation of distinct bands or peaks. The resulting pattern can be used to identify the components of the mixture and their relative concentrations. Chromatography is commonly used in chemistry, biochemistry, and forensic science.